Welcome everyone. So today we are going to discuss about fifth state of matter, which is Bose-Einstein condensate. Last time we discussed about plasma, which is fourth state of matter. So what are the examples of plasma state of matter? The examples are sun and stars. And because of the presence of plasma in them, they glow so brightly. So what is the reason that plasma is created in stars? It is because of very very high temperature. Today we are going to discuss about Bose-Einstein condensate in detail. So it is given here that in 1920, Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose had done some calculations for a fifth state of matter. Building on his calculations, Albert Einstein predicted a new state of matter, the Bose-Einstein condensate (BEC). In 2001, Eric A. Cornell, Wolfgang Kettel, and Carl E. Wieman of USA received the Nobel Prize in Physics for achieving Bose-Einstein condensation. The BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 the density of normal air, to super low temperatures. You can log on to www.chem4kids.com to get more information on these fourth and fifth states of matter. So in this topic of Bose-Einstein condensate, the most important point is the Bose-Einstein condensate or BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000, which is 1 lakh, the density of normal air, to super low temperature. So this is the most important point. So how this has formed, or how scientists they came to know about this fifth state of matter. So this happens in 1920, that Indian physicist, Indian scientist Satyendra Nath Bose, he he had done some calculations for a fifth state of matter. On the basis of his calculations, whatever he done, Albert Einstein he predicted a new state of matter, and on the basis of their names, to give them honor, the fifth state of matter is having the name on their names, which is the Bose-Einstein condensate. Now what happens in 2001? In 2001 there were few scientists, together they received a Nobel Prize in Physics because they were successfully able to achieve Bose-Einstein condensation. Now, how Bose-Einstein condensate, this fifth state of matter, can be achieved? For this, there are two very important points. The first thing is the nature of gas. The nature of gas uh, should be like that the density of gas should be very very low. It should be that much low, about 100,000, which is 1 lakh the density of normal air. So you can imagine that the density of the gas which is required to achieve Bose-Einstein condensate, it is very very low as compared to the density of normal air which we know. The other thing which is required is temperature. The temperature should be such that the gas should be cooled to extremely low temperature, to super low temperature, which should be near about absolute zero. Now what is absolute zero temperature? Absolute zero temperature means 0 Kelvin, not 0 degree Celsius, but 0 Kelvin. So I have already told you about the relation between Kelvin and degree Celsius scale. So if I am saying that absolute zero temperature means 0 Kelvin, it means that absolute zero temperature in terms of degree Celsius is minus 273 degrees Celsius. So you can imagine that this temperature is super low, it is extremely low, and it is very very hard to achieve as well. Now what actually happens when we will cool a gas of extremely low density to such a super low temperature? So let us take the example, if generally if we are cooling any gas, then a process of condensation we are getting, like if we are cooling any gas, then that gas used to convert into change into liquid state, which is said to be the process of condensation. Now what happens in this case in Bose-Einstein condensate, when we need to achieve it, then we have to cool a gas to extremely low temperature. That means we need to cool to a very very low temperature. So the gas, it is not only going to change into liquid state, then again it is going to change into solid state, and not only solid state, because the temperature is extremely low to achieve Bose-Einstein condensate. So at this temperature, what happened, atoms of this gas, they will start to come together, they will start clumping with each other, and they will form superatoms. So the term superatom we are actually using in this fifth state of matter, which is Bose-Einstein condensate. So what happens at extremely low temperature, the gaseous particles, they start to come together and they used to clump with each other, and that is why they are forming superatom. Just imagine what actually is happening to these particles of the gas. We know that temperature and kinetic energy, they are related with each other, they are directly proportional to each other. So when we are lowering down the temperature, then kinetic energy will also be low. Now what will happen at absolute zero temperature? Just imagine, at absolute zero temperature, when the temperature is 0 Kelvin, then there will not be any kinetic energy. That means the particles will not be having any kinetic energy. There will be no motion, not even vibratory motion will be there in particles. So at absolute zero temperature, particles, they will become completely still, their motion will completely cease. So at near about zero temperature, actually what will happen, there will be almost, we can consider that the motion of the particle, it has become negligible. So that is what happens in this case of Bose-Einstein condensate also. The particles of gases, when we are just lowering down the temperature to such an extreme level, then these particles of gases, they start to come together, they start to clump with each other, and they are forming superatom. And that is because their motion is just getting ceased because of extremely low temperature. So this is about the Bose-Einstein condensate. Although you don't have to study in this much of detail, the only thing which you have to remember, which is very important, there are 2 points. The first thing is the nature of the gas, which gas should be selected to achieve Bose-Einstein condensate. The nature of the gas should be, the density of the gas, it should be extremely low. It should be about 100,000, means 1 lakh the density of normal air. And the second thing is the temperature. The temperature should be super low. Super low means it should be about 0 Kelvin, which is absolute zero temperature. So this is about the Bose-Einstein condensate. So please do remember these 2 points. You underline this also. And this is the end of this chapter 1. So afterwards, I think only exercise questions are left. So only this much for today. Thank you.